Hello everyone, my name is Gurpreet Singh and I am here to talk about the IELTS speaking test. In this video, I'm going to talk about the first part only. So in first part, we have introduction and some general questions. If I talk about the introductory portion, so in the starting, examiner will ask you about the identification and he'll ask you to show your identification. You have to show it, and when you will give your passport to him or her, he will check it and then return it to you, and after then he will ask that what is your name, and you will tell your name to him. And in name you are supposed to keep 2 points in your mind, that never say that myself Gurpreet Singh, as my name is Gurpreet Singh, so I would say myself Gurpreet Singh, then it is wrong. And also avoid I am Gurpreet Singh. Okay, so you can say only that my name is Gurpreet Singh. That is the correct format to tell. And the very next question will be asked by the examiner, that what should I call you. In my opinion, if he asks that what should I call you, then you answer it like this, that you may address me as. You can also say that you may call me as, you may call me Gurpreet, not call me as, you may call me Gurpreet. And or you can say that you may address me as Gurpreet. So this is the second question will be generally. And then if he asks you about your hometown, so in hometown you are supposed to tell each and everything, that he must be very clear that where do you belong to. And keep in mind one thing, that he does not know anything about your country. This is the assumption. And in you can say that he does not know anything about you, so you are supposed to tell in such a way that he understands each and everything properly. Now you can see in this notebook that answer is written like this: I belong to northern part of my country. So I have defined the area or region, you can say. Then I hail from, live in, or I am a dweller of. These are the three phrases which you can use, or one you're supposed to use. So I would say that I belong to northern part of my country. I am dweller of Shri Ganganagar city in my case, and I belong to Shri Ganganagar, which is a small city in state of Rajasthan. Now see the complete answer once again. So I have explained each and everything to him, means in which part of country I have already explained. Now town I have explained, and state I have also explained, or I have told, I mean not explained, you can say. So this is about the hometown. If he just asks that tell me about your hometown, so if he asks furthermore that talk about your hometown, now in this you are supposed to say that as I mentioned earlier, I live in Shri Ganganagar. Okay, now if I want to talk about my hometown, so there are few aspects to talk about. First I'm supposed to tell few general things about my hometown, and after then I'm supposed to talk about the people of my hometown, facilities of my hometown, I mean transportation or education system or something like that. So if I start my answer, I would say, as I mentioned earlier, I belong to Shri Ganganagar, or I live in Shri Ganganagar. It is a very clean, beautiful and pollution free city. So this sentence can be used anywhere for any city, I mean for any hometown. Then it's written that it's a food basket of Rajasthan, and it's famous for its orange productions, and it was named after a renowned king, Maharaja Ganga Singh. So these 3-4 sentences are about the general introduction. Now next are few aspects, means now we are supposed to tell about the education system. Like in this it is written that if I talk about the education system of my city, then there are many reputed schools and colleges. Here I have written many, so you can use one another word, that is numerous. Reputed schools and colleges, hospitals you can also say. And for entertainment there are two malls. For entertainment there are two malls, and one is located at the periphery of the city. So one is at the periphery, so I have told about two malls. Okay, now next is, then I'm supposed to tell that there are various cinema halls, gardens, cafes, restaurants, pubs, and bars for enjoyments, or other shopping center you can also tell. And then next is, if I talk about the people of my city or my hometown, they are literate enough or well educated. One thing you can use, if I say that if I talk about the people of my city, they are literate enough and they are quite helpful and kind in nature, or you can also use a word supportive. So next aspect is to talk about the transportation system. Now I'm going to talk about the transportation system. So if I'm being asked that talk about the transportation system of your hometown, so I would say that it is well connected by roads, railway lines, as well as airlines, but airlines or airways are quite limited. This is in my case only, so you can use something else. So this is all about the your name. And second question was, what should I call you? And third was, talk about your hometown. And as I already explained, that in hometown you are supposed to tell few general things and then tell about the various aspects. So in next videos I'm going to tell more about the speaking part 1, and there are so many general questions in also in part 1, so I'm going to talk about those questions also for this time. Thank you.